Happy morning, children. In this lesson, we will see about MS Windows 7. Okay, MS Windows 7. In previous video, we saw what is mean by computer, what are the parts of your computer, what are the main parts. We saw these all points, isn't it? So, in this lesson, we will see MS Windows 7. Okay, what is meant by MS? MS means Microsoft. What is the full form of MS? Microsoft. Windows developed by Microsoft company. That's why in front of Windows we are writing MS. MS means Microsoft. The full form of MS is Microsoft. What is the full form of MS? Microsoft. Okay. See, Windows managed by operating system. Okay. In previous video, we saw different types of operating system: DOS, Unix, Linux, Windows. So, Windows is an operating system. This operating system, Windows is an operating system. This is managed by Windows. Okay. So, now next 7. Why we are telling MS Windows 7? We saw what is meant by MS. MS means Microsoft. Windows is an operating system managed by OS. Shortly we can say OS. Over here we can say what is meant by 7. 7 is a version. Okay, see the board. 7 is a version. Windows 95, Windows 98. This is called a version. 95 is the version. 98 is also a version. 98 is the advanced version of 95. Or understand? 98 is the advanced version of 95. 95 would advanced version the 98. Okay. Now, what is meant by Windows Vista? Windows Vista is also a version advanced of 98. 98 would advanced the Windows Vista. So, next 2000. 2000. Okay, now 2010, 2013, in between 2007. Okay, now our book based on Windows 7. Our book based on Windows 7. Windows 10 and 13 are advanced version. Windows 10 and 13 are advanced version. So, these all are the versions of computer, versions of Windows, versions of Windows. Okay, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows Vista, Windows Professional, Windows 2000, Windows 2007, Windows 2010, Windows 2013. In this version, 10 and 13 are the advanced version. Our book based on Windows 2007. Okay. What is meant by version? How we are telling in an ice cream flavor. Okay, everybody loves ice cream. How we are telling flavor? Vanilla flavor, pista, like that we are telling no. The same version is the same in Windows. Okay, our book based on Windows 7. See one more time. MS is a Microsoft. Windows is based on operating system. In previous video, we saw different types of operating system: DOS, Unix, Linux, Windows. Okay. So, Windows is also an operating system managed by the computer. Okay. 7 is a version. Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows Vista, Windows Professional, Windows 2000, Windows 2007, 10, 13. These are called the version. How we are telling the flavors in an ice cream, like the same we can say in computer version. Okay, in our book based on Windows 7, 2010 and 2013 are the advanced version. Okay, see Windows based on GUI. What is the full form of GUI? Graphical User Interface. See the first word, graphical user interface. What is the full form of GUI? Graphical User Interface. Shortly we can say GUI. Why Windows is based on GUI? Small icons we are using. Okay, colorful icons we are using. That type of icons we can use only in the Windows. Okay. That's why we are telling Windows based on graphical user interface. Then next, in this lesson we will discuss about files and folders. In this topic, this is the main topic in this lesson. Regarding this topic, we will discuss in this lesson how to create a file and folder, how can we open a file and folder, how can we give the rename for file and folder, how can we select multi files and folders in the same time, how can we delete a files and folders, how can we move a files and folders in one place to another place, how can we copy a files and folders, and how can we paste a files and folders. Okay, my dear, regarding these all topics we can discuss in this lesson. Okay, see one more time. The name of the lesson, MS Windows 7. MS means Microsoft. Windows is based on operating system. So many operating system we saw: DOS, Unix, Linux, Windows. Okay, not only this, so many operating system we have. These are the very familiar operating system. Windows is a very familiar operating system. 7 is a version. So many versions we have: 95, 98. If you see the board, so many versions I wrote it on the board. Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows Vista, Windows Professional, Windows 2000, 2007, 10, 13. So these all are the different types of versions. Okay, my dear. Our book based on Windows 7, Microsoft Windows 7 version. Okay, now 2010 and 13 are the latest version. 2010 and 13 are the latest version. Windows based on GUI. GUI, what is the full form of GUI? Graphical User Interface. Graphical User Interface. See the first word, G for graphical, U for user, I for interface. Why Windows is based on graphical user interface? Small icons we are using, very colorful icons, different. For an example, for computer icon, really the computer images is there. Recycle bin icon, really the recycle bin is there. So this is called an icon. Okay, in this icon based on graphical framed by graphical user interface. So if Windows is a graphical user interface, means the small icons are there. With the help of icons we can open whatever it is. If it is a computer or a recycle bin or Chrome, isn't it, my dear? Okay, next files and folders. How can we create a file and folder? How can we open a file and folder? How can we give the name for a file and folder? How can we give the rename? How can we select multiple files or folders? How can we delete files or folders? How can we move from one place to another place, files and folders? How can we copy files and folders from one place to another place? How can we paste files and folders? So regarding these all topics we are discussing. See the board, in the name of the lesson, MS Windows 7. Okay, see one more time, files and folders. Regarding this topic we are discussing: create, open, rename, select multiple files and folders, delete. How can we delete a files and folders? How can we move a files and folders? How can we copy and paste? Okay. Before we see the book, what and all topic we are discussing at the end of the lesson. See the book, discuss features of Windows 7, explain about files and folders, create files and folders, rename files or folders, move and copy files or folders. Right, children? These all topics at the end of the lesson we are learning. Okay. See the first paragraph, the computer is made up of different parts and does so many works at a time. It also requires a manage for itself. Okay, so if you want to see the next point, the manager is a computer is called an operating system. Who is controlling computer? Operating system. So we can say operating system is a manager of computer. Who is managing us? Yes. Who is managing us in home? Father and mother, parent. Who is managing in school? Teachers. Like that, the same. Who is managing the computer? Operating system. So each and every computer managed by the operating system. Okay. See the next one, different types of versions. I told you how can we see in ice cream flavors? The same in computer also, different types of versions. In ice cream, we will say the flavor, we can say the flavor. In computer versions, we can say the versions. Okay. See the versions. MS Windows 95, MS Windows 98, MS Windows 2000, MS Windows XP, MS Windows Vista, MS Windows 7. Why they are stopping Windows 7? Because our book based on Windows 7. Okay, what are the advanced version? 2010, Microsoft Windows 2010 and Microsoft Windows 2013. These are the advanced version of Windows. Okay. See children, operating system performs some important functions. Okay. What functions? It provides the basic rules according to which a computer should work. Basic rules, how the computer should work. These basic rules is the functions of the operating system. It helps the computer programs to recognize all inputs and sends output to the monitor. Okay, see, in fact, we can say that an operating system works like a traffic policeman. Okay, do this, do that, do not do like this. Okay, like a policeman, how the particularly traffic policeman, how the traffic policeman is instructing, like the same operating system is also instructing to the computer. Okay, see, next MS Windows is one of the most popular used operating system. If we don't know about the computer, that person can use easily Windows. That's why Windows is a very popular operating system. Okay. It is developed by Microsoft for use in generally purpose computer system. Okay, see, it provides you with a graphical user interface. It uses pictures. I told you small icons and buttons are there. Okay, that colorful images based on graphical user interface. Shortly we can say GUI. Okay, see the next one, features of Windows 7. Okay, what is meant by features? Sirapamsangal, features. Okay, Windows 7 has a very attractive look with colorful themes. Okay, DOS is based on full of codings. Okay, so Windows is not like that. Everything is there, just we can use it, we can operate it. It's totally colorful themes. Small pictures also we can see. It comes with new features, improved programs and fast speed. Okay, among the new features available in Windows 7, there are new technologies that run in the background, making your computer more efficient and reliable. If we don't know about the computer, easily that person can open and operate the computer easily. This is the very important features of Windows I am telling. The control panel. What is meant by control panel? The control panel in Windows 7 allows you to change display settings. See, 2-3 windows is displayed. Here we can change the settings, display settings we can change with the help of control panel. Add or remove the program, change date and time, everything we can do with the help of control panel. Okay. See, the most common editions in same Windows 7. If you see the book on the screen, Windows 7 operating system, then common editions in Windows 7. Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Professional and Windows 7 Ultimate. These are the edition. These are the common edition of Windows 7. Okay. See, these are the icons. I am pointing here with the help of mouse pointer. This is the desktop. Here we can see on the desktop small icons. These icons we can see only in the Windows. That's why Windows is designed by the GUI, graphical user interface. Okay. This graphical user interface we cannot use in some other operating system. This is the very unique point I want to share with you. See the next one, files and folders. What is meant by file? File is a collection of data stored on some storage device such as hard disk. Okay, what is meant by file? A file is a collection of data. What is meant by data? What kind of instructions we are giving to the CPU, that is called data. Datas and informations both are same. Okay, that with the help of keyboard and mouse we can send the datas. Processing by the CPU, these all topics we discussed in the previous video. Okay, that types of datas we can stored in a name, that is called a file. Yes, very good. A file is a collection of data stored into the storage devices. See the next one, a folder. What is meant by folder? A folder is a place where many files. Okay, I am giving an example. Each and every exam paper are giving. Okay, for an example, Tamil, English, Maths, Science, Social. Each and every paper is called a file. These all papers together we are keeping in a file. This is called a folder. I hope you all are understand what is meant by files and folders. A folder is a place where many files are stored. Here many files means I am pointing each and every subject. For an example, Tamil, English, Maths, each and every subject is called a file. All the files together we can keep it in a file. No, that is called a folder. You understand, my dear? See the next one, a folder may also contain different folders with files in them. Okay, see, it means there may be a both files and folders inside a folder. Okay, here I want to winding me this class, this session. In next video, surely I will explain you how can we create, how can we delete, how can we give a rename, etc. etc. But here I want to conclude my this video. Okay, thank you children.